Hi, this is Jill from Humu Yoga, and this is the opening to the practice. This week, we're focusing on the theme of love. So I'm going to take us through a quiet centering, and then I'm going to go over some inspirational quotes on love, and then I'll go into depth of a further definition, and then you'll be able to weave this into whatever it is you do. So if this is something you like, please subscribe because I do a different theme and a different opening every week. So let's start with the hands by the sides and just find how you're sitting for a moment. So let's engage in the bandhas. We'll start with Mula Bandha, and that means root lock. So the muscles you're sitting on, engage them, just enough for support. And then above that, below the belly button, draw the belly in and get a sense of lifting upward. It's called Uddiyana Bandha, and it means flying upward. And then at the top of the spine, draw the chin down. We call that Jalandhara Bandha or chin lock, and it seals in the energies of the bandhas. So with the bandhas engaged, you're supported from inside. You can release the hands, and we just begin to focus on the breath. So keeping the bandhas engaged, inhale, feel how the rib cage expands, and then exhale, feel how the rib cage draws closer together. Again, inhale, feel the rib cage expand, and then exhale, feel how the rib cage draws closer together. One more time, big breath in, and exhale. Let's take the hands together in prayer position, and we'll vibrate together with the mantra Om, and then I'll go through the quotes. Inhale. The more love we pour into ourselves, the more we have to offer the world. Love is not something you find, it is something you become. When we practice with an open heart, we remember that love is both our path and our destination. Yoga is the journey of the self, through the self, to the self. And at its heart, that journey is one of love. Let the breath be a reminder that love, like life, flows freely when we surrender to the present moment. Love. Because I'm using this as a theme this week and diving deep into it, I have a further definition that I'm going to share with you right now. Love is a profound and expansive force that connects us to ourselves, others, and the world around us. It is both a feeling and an action, a choice to show kindness, compassion, and understanding. Love is present in moments of joy and resilience, in offering care without expectation, and accepting ourselves and others as we are. In its purest form, love is a reflection of our interconnectedness, a reminder that we are never truly separate. By having a practice like yoga that helps me balance out my body and my mind, and just feeding my soul in this way, I'm so much more able to find a balance and be there and let love flow unconditionally. And I hope this resonates with you and everything you do. Namaste.